All right, what's going on, guys? Today we are doing a fan clutch on a Humvee. So get to that. 1,500. But we did a clutch fan on this. I wasn't here for most of it. It was more Vasquez, but you found those sweet gloves. Hey, I know whose those are.
I found them. I don't care who's they are.
Okay. Yeah, but yeah, the clutch fan assembly. It's brand new. You can see it right there. It's not focused.
Not even the same. This is like Walmart, I think.
No, they have these at AutoZone.
Oh, well, these are. I don't know what this is.
There's flames on it.
What the fuck?
511. That's like oh yeah, the Gucci ones.
Yeah.
You'll see those in the next fashion show. But we had a video on one of these before. We did a radiator, but this is the OE radiator. Yeah, just clutch fan. Do you know what was bad with the other one?
Which one?
The old one.
I don't know if the clutch fan was bad, but the geared fan.
Oh yeah, the gear part. I mean, yeah. So they didn't replace the fan, just the geared part, just the clutch assembly. This is where we keep the fluids. Recycled antifreeze. This stuff isn't even sweet. It's like sour almost. What the hell? I thought that was, just turn it off. It's empty.
It's not empty.
Sounds empty. It says do not open. Open. Oh. Is that the coolant one?
No, that's the fucking
I told you I need Gatorade.
Gatorade?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, that shit's right there. That's fucking.
Oh, there's a little one. It's not even. Oh, there's a little bit. Like, so everything. Most of these are empty, I think, actually. Right?
Yeah, all of them.
Why did they move it?
Bro, they bullshit. It's Q's job to do this shit. It ain't fucking mine.
All the oil in that one. All these pumps. Are these snap-on pumps? Red ones? Some of these, I know some of these are snap-on.
Yeah, they're snap-on.
You want to pour it in for me?
Yeah. Put shit in my pocket.
Hey, bro, copyright music, bro. Fill me up, baby. Oh my god, I almost fell. It smells nasty. Like, I don't know. Like, coolant always sweet to me, but this recycled coolant smells so nasty.
Yeah, because they don't want to get the good shit.
Just normal coolant.
Yeah.
Go. Yes, man. Very masculine man. Muscular. So we really doing a 12 mile tomorrow?
Yeah, y'all doing it all.
Y'all?
Yeah.
What about you?
I ain't doing this shit. Bro, I failed on purpose. I ain't doing this shit.
You failed?
Yeah. I could have passed it. I just failed it about 7 minutes.
Alright, I can't get this on straight.
It's do it from the handle.
No, it's on.
I'm gonna say like, oh actually, yeah, like do it from the handle because it's gonna be hard to take off.
Alright, I need 2 hands for this.
Oh my god, you got it. That's incredible.
What are we putting the hood on?
1630. Marlboro had it last. Disappointed, me. I said the bait.
Get this down here to get this truck out.
So I have all of your deals to buy.
Like, no, we got it.
No, I got it by myself.
How much did you? How much came out of it?
Oh yeah. That's good. That's good.
I can't do it with one hand.
They like blew it up.
That's probably why the clutch went bad.
No, because we run it and it blows up. And we're fixing the fucking thing. And this guy's like, oh yeah, the fan doesn't spin, by the way. We're like, oh.
Did you test it?
Like, you fucking touch it and it's like.
Oh, the ball's in it.
So after it overheated 3 times, they finally tell us, yeah, the fan's not spinning.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna start. Put some air into it. Yeah. What?
Did you put it in?
Put what in?
This one? No. Or was busy over here?
Okay. We need a little bit more, it looks like.
I feel like that's not.
Yeah, we need a little bit more.
It's stopping you from doing it. It's stopping you. Because I remember it wasn't.
Seems fine. This is yellow as hell. It's not even green. Oh, you're good. No leaks. Just look under it. No leaks. Alright, you're good. I just want to see if that was getting some exhaust or some pressure in here. Because since it was yellow, I just wanted to see if there was exhaust going through it.
Well, let me see.
It's literally, I just put the cap on. I hate taking these caps off.
A mechanic.
You gonna come up here, bro? See, we should have gaskets on hand so this kind of stuff doesn't happen.
They just spread it out so it looks all.
What did you
nasty.
put? What are you putting on?
This thing, bro.
A bolt?
Sprayer.
Alright, give me some of that wet stuff, baby. Damn, bro, you trying to kill the thing? That's so much.
I didn't know what you mean.
That's oil. You got it?
What are you doing? It's nice out. Bring it in the bay, change the tire, it's raining out. Being nice to operators today. Is that a flat? Flat's pretty bad. It's like, no new faults are. Yeah, that thing was so funny. Did you feel it driving in?
Man, you should have got me.
It's an engine. What the hell's going on? What? Bro, look at my hair. I look like a nerd. Hey, man. We're issued these SCIF. They're pretty sick. You also use them for snowboarding and mopping the bathroom.
No, go.
Oh, the pipes. So we are just out of work. It was about 17:04 or 5:04, depending where or how you tell time.